Wow, look at this. This thing is massive. That's incredible. Oh, here comes a runner. So, we're at one of the far ends of Ballantyne District Park. In fact, this is actually off the map, off the green shaded portion of the map. As you can see here, there's some construction going on. It looks like they're making a lane. Hopefully they're building part of a trail path, but I think I can take this little trip here and get to the other side. So we're gonna do that. Made it. But we have a little beaten path here, so we're gonna take it. We've gotten to a place here. The trail seems to have faded out. Let's walk up here a little bit farther. So this might not be the absolute end, but it's pretty darn close. You can see we got some ravine action in here. And then this waterway continues on that way. So I'd say that's far enough for now. I'll start heading it back. Oh, there's a squirrel. Can't believe he let me get that close. Alright, yeah, let's pack it in. I came down this hill. It didn't seem as steep when I came down it, but this is a sizable incline. Okay, let's get back up there. Y Trail. Here we go. Man, this place continues to deliver. To be such a small patch of ground, there's a whole lot going on in here. Okay, so this is where I came in. So I'm going to head back this way. That will conclude today's hike. Thanks for coming with us.